Good morning. I'm Manisha Bhatt. I'm a senior attorney in the Family Law Unit of Greater Boston Legal Services. I've been working at GBLS for the last 18 and a half years. It's my honor to share with you a glimpse into the lives of the clients I am able to serve due to your support and your generosity. We are facing a significant amount of uncertainty right now. It is uncomfortable. It's downright scary. And as I confront this uncertainty, I am reminded that uncertainty as a consequence of domestic violence took a grip in the lives of my clients many, many years ago. Long ago, when they were 16, started dating in high school and didn't know what a healthy relationship looked like. Long ago, when they were newly married and the love of their lives vacillated between a Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde personality. Long ago, when they came to America with dreams of a beautiful life, only to encounter beating after beating and repeated rape. Invariably, my clients would ask me, "What's going to happen, Manisha? When will this end? How will this end?" And I could never really say for sure. But what I could say, what I do say to my clients is, hold my hand. We will think about the best first step possible, and we will take that step. And we will keep taking step after step until the time that it's over. And I will be holding your hand each step of the way until the case is ended. Currently, I'm working with a client who married her high school sweetheart and has 2 beautiful children with him. The husband has significant anxiety and mental health issues. He drinks a lot to calm his nerves. He would pick fights with her. He slapped her around, punched her, kicked her, called her names, the usual. And she put up with it until one night she came home around 1 o'clock in the morning and saw her husband leaving their 8-year-old daughter's bedroom. He was intoxicated, which was no surprise, but he was exhibiting a different type of drunk personality. He ordered her not to go into the daughter's bedroom. So the client waited until he went into their bedroom and fell asleep. She then went to go check in on their daughter, who now at 2 o'clock in the morning was wide awake, frightened, and couldn't sleep. While I am not usually one to skip over details of a client's life and the suffering that they've endured, at this time, I wish to spare you the horrific details of the sexual abuse this precious, precious, innocent child suffered that night. But what I will say is that no child should ever be subject to that, especially by their parent. The client called the police that night and left the house that morning. She came to GBLS. We've filed for divorce. The DA's office and DCF are involved. This case is hotly contested because husband is accusing the child of lying about the sexual abuse, denies that anything ever happened, and wants full parental rights. Family members accompany him to court, and they insist on speaking to our client alone. The husband himself gets angry at me for getting in the way of him talking to the client, and instead he shouts in the middle of the courthouse that she can't take his kids away from him. Nothing's going to prevent him from exercising his full parental rights. I reassure the client that I will be with her every step of the way, and I will do everything that is possible to protect her and her children under the law. I will do everything that the law allows me to do in order to keep her and her children safe. I just realized that when I first started talking about this client, I said, currently I'm helping this client. I'm working with this client. I need to amend my statement. We are working with this client. There is no I at all. It is you and I. It is you and GBLS. for it is your support that makes this work possible. We are helping this client to not only get out of an abusive relationship, but to do everything possible that allows the law to protect her and her precious children. It is for this partnership, it is for this support, this collaboration, that I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you.